how to fix Snapchat filters not working problem. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you do that. So first of all, open up your Snapchat. So here you can see all the filters are working for me. So if you detect that your Snapchat filters are not working, then simply go back to your settings in your phone and search for the app. So here in the app, tap on the Snapchat and tap on the permissions, and here you have to enable the location option. So after enabling the location option, you will be able to use or download the filters in your Snapchat. So if you are still unable to use the filters, then go back to the home page and go to the Play Store app. In the Play Store, search for the Snapchat and make sure that you have updated the Snapchat. The updated version will allow you to use the new features or new filters of the Snapchat. If you are still unable to fix the problem, then you can restart your phone by simply pressing in your power button, then tapping on the restart. After that, you will be able to fix the problem. So I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more updating tutorial videos like this. If you need any tutorial videos on any topics, don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope to see you guys in the next tutorial video.